the flower now. Now this one you carry like bicycle sit here. That's make it wet dirty. I knows like funnel. You talk. Don't worry, no worry. My people. You get one thing with me I like to advise people about. People don't forget I miss TV, MC Parrot, that man we don't know where I'm from come. I don't know why. People they say now make them they call me what as president. No problem, I don't think it's well. And also the Prince of Comedy, the Federal Republic of Nigeria as a whole, because you know we the speak of the languages. But then my people, the problem why they get this day, our people they know they agree to carry their Pikin, go train them better thing for church. I don't know this one upon the training where this man saying don't give him Pikin for church there. He give a training for house. Now when he say make this Pikin sing common praise and worship, come see what you have. I don't want to come. Follow me. I cannot say. But it's not the black guy.
Pikin.
Hey, Daddy.
Pikin, get up now.
Daddy, I'm not sleep for that.
Okay, don't talk about. Let's sing a praise and worship song. I want you to sing praise and worship song to the Lord as you pray for money. Don't talk about.
Okay. Yes. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, Jesus, you're too much. Oh. Survive. There's something. Winnie, wanna. Sweet adult, wanna, really. Oh, Jesus, check your nose. Oh,
Pikin.
check your nose. Every time I make you know.
Do something like that. We don't say Jesus showing your ways. They talk about your way. In your Sunday school is the kind of song you are singing for there. That Jesus showing your way. Pikin, I want you to do praise song to Jesus Christ. This is very in the morning.
Okay.
You understand something?
Okay. Daddy,
Go ahead.
I'm not sure you know the correct. Okay.
Don't talk. Go ahead and sing.
Now, Mommy, let's start to clap our hands. Amen.
Sing now.
Oh, Jesus, get the noise. There's something. Oh, Daddy, stop beating me.
You don't. Jesus, throw it. Shut your mouth. Frock your head up. I will yarn you.
Oh, Daddy.
I yarn you now. What is wrong with you? I will talk you again. I will. Shut up your mouth, don't talk about. You don't nonsense. I give you the good understanding of the Lord Jesus Christ, my Lord, my Savior. I know what to do. I have to ban you from listening to all these devilish and Mumu songs in this house. Bonky. Come on,